Stewie, what do you want? You want cookie? You want food? Come here, let's see your bowl. What do you want in here? Come here. What do you want in the bowl? What do you guys want? Stewie, you want food? You want food? What? Uh-oh. What's in here? Oh. Cookies. No. I'll get you guys food instead. Okay, you guys want food? No, Stewie, no cookies. Food. Come here. Want food?
And that's how you forget about a cookie.